Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word resonance. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The speaker's powerful words evoked a deep resonance in the audience, stirring emotions and sparking conversations long after the event ended. Resonance refers to a strong or deep connection or harmonious effect, often evoking emotions or memories that continue to resonate with individuals over time. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.